Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. I am so excited today because I get to start decorating for Christmas, and I'm starting with my mantle. Alright, so the first thing I did was add this faux shiplap background to the top of my mantle. Now I do not have a video on how I did that, but I promise you I will make one and I will upload it in the near future. So first thing I want to add is the garland. Now this garland I have had for so many years, and I flocked it a few years back before I even had a YouTube channel. So because I do not have how this particular garland was flocked, I will show you how I flocked it with this garland that I have to flock anyways for my outdoor decorations, but I wanted to show you how I did that. I basically grabbed a regular paint. Now I made a mistake here and I was adding chalk paint. Now I would not add chalk paint for an outdoor decoration unless you're going to seal it, and it would be very hard to seal this garland, so I'm going to have to go over it with regular outdoor white paint. But I just want to show you the technique. So basically you just grab some paint and you just start brushing it. You add as little or as much as you want, and I would just suggest making sure you touch up on every branch. So that's kind of how I did it, and then you let it fully dry. So of course you want to fluff every little branch on garlands and even Christmas trees. This will make a world of a difference when you are placing your decorations. So the first thing I'm going to add to the garland is these lamb's ear branches. Now these I have used, if you've seen my videos, I am using them pretty much in all of my decorations. Sometimes just a little touch, and in some cases like here using the entire branches. But I'm adding them because I feel like it's going to add a whole new dimension of the green color. It already has that natural frost to them, and I just like the way they look. Now this little trees, I just updated them and sprayed some more white paint on them just to give them a little bit more of a frost look. I got these last year at Goodwill, and it was one of my very first trash to treasure videos. I should have added the trees to the mantle before the garland, but I forgot. So I'm just adding them now, and basically I'm just going to add them behind the garland and then tuck the garland underneath to just make it look more natural. Next thing I am doing is getting these little red branches. They're very glittery from the Dollar Tree. I did frost them using some dry brush technique. So I'm just going to place them periodically here in the mantle around the decorations, and just placing them. Now I may move them here and there as I keep placing more decorations, but the important thing is just to spread them out evenly. These little houses are kind of like ceramic houses, and they light up. I got them at the Target dollar spot several years back. It might have been even last year, but I have 3 of them and I'm going to reuse them on my mantle this year. Same thing with these little houses. I place them here now, but I will be moving them as I continue to place other decorations. Next up are these little faux fir trees. We got these several years ago as well, and I have reused them and reused them throughout the years. And this year I will use them again. I'm just going to place them here towards the back as well by the other little rustic pine trees. Now I'm going to be placing these glittery, sparkly pics from the Dollar Tree. I got several. I will be using them on my Christmas tree as well. So I'm just separating them, and I will be cutting them into smaller little branches and adding them to the mantle as well. Now these little wooden trees we also got several years ago. Last year I painted them white, not white, red, and I distressed them for a more farmhouse look. Our stockings we got at home, and we've gone through several stockings through the years depending on the decoration style. I decided to keep these. I like the, I don't know, like the mesh toned down color to them, so I went with those again this year. Plus, keeping them would mean saving some money. Now on to the wreath. This greenery I got on Amazon, and it's about 6 feet long. I did cut it for a previous project that I'll be showing you here in the next few weeks, but I put them together. I kind of like rounded them up as like a wreath would, and this is the wreath that I did a trash to treasure on. I continued with the little red pics and the lamb's ear as well, but I want to place it on top of this bed of greenery, and basically I'm just kind of just play around with it until I get it to kind of where I want. I will be tying them together with some jute twine and putting it up on the mantle. At first I wanted to tie the jute twine all around the wreath, but then I didn't want the jute twine to be seen from the front, so I added it to the little wire here from the wreath, and then I'm just going to tie the greenery to it, and then I'm going to make a second knot to create the loop from where it's going to hang from. And there it is. How cute is this? I'd like to say that this is actually one of my favorite mantle decorations I've done through the years. I love how simple but yet just charming it looks, and it has that frost look that I've been working towards this entire time as I'm getting ready for my Christmas decorations, and I think everything came together very nicely. So this is it for today, guys. Stay tuned to other Christmas decorating in my home. I still have to do my entryway and my Christmas tree, and I'm so excited to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, as always, I invite you to do so, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. I hope you have a lot of fun decorating for Christmas, and I hope you have a blessed day.